In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify coupon codes in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Klaviyo and how to load the codes you've already created in Shopify, so you can use them confidently in your emails and flows. Before we jump in, a quick note on what this feature does. Klaviyo doesn't create discount rules for your store. It simply stores and distributes codes you've generated in Shopify. So make sure your Shopify store is connected to Klaviyo and that you've already created either a single reusable code or a batch of unique one-time codes in Shopify. If you're planning to send personalized discounts, unique single-use codes are best. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your home base and the place where you can access content, campaigns, flows, and, importantly for today, your coupon libraries. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account and workspace, especially if you manage multiple brands. On the left sidebar, open the Content dropdown. This is where Klaviyo groups creative resources like templates, images, and coupons to keep everything tidy. Opening this menu helps you quickly find the tool you need without digging through settings. From there, click Coupons. You'll land on the area that houses your coupon libraries. Think of each library as a pool of codes you can draw from in emails. If you already have libraries set up, you'll see them listed with counts of how many codes are available and used. On the right side of the library you want to update, click the vertical 3 dots. That's the More menu for managing that specific coupon pool. You'll see options to perform actions on that pool. We're interested in adding new codes to it. Choose Add Codes. Klaviyo will prompt you to provide the Shopify codes you want to store. You can paste codes directly, one per line, or upload a file depending on the options shown. Keep your formatting clean, no extra spaces, no duplicates, and keep capitalization consistent so it looks professional when displayed. While Shopify treats codes as case-insensitive at checkout, consistency prevents confusion in emails. Now add your Shopify coupon code here. That's it. If you're adding a batch, double-check that every code is unique and still valid in Shopify. Once added, Klaviyo will list them as available in that library, ready to be inserted into campaigns or flows. A helpful tip: monitor the available count and top up before you run out, so you never send an email that pulls an empty code pool. And before a big send, test a code at checkout to confirm it applies the correct discount and hasn't expired. You've just learned the fastest way to load Shopify coupon codes into Klaviyo. Happy sending and keep those code libraries stocked.